Hey, big man. Is Miss Makima, like, single, or... Do you know? Hey!
Come with me. Let me guess. Makima's the sole reason you're here, am I right?
Bingo!
Then I'm glad I beat the crap out of you. I'll do you a favor and tell her you ran away, terrified by the devils that would have ended you.
Thought you were full of it when you said you wasted kindness on me. But you are nice, cause when I fight a dude, it's nuts or nothing!
Yeah, you are dreaming. See, a woman like Makima is way too good for a thug like you.
Huh? What the hell? Bet you're just saying that because you want it for yourself, huh? Numbnuts!
You weren't joking. Just went for the balls. Nothing else. All balls.
A testicle devil appeared and went apeshit on his nutsack, ma'am.
No, he's lying. He made that entire thing up.
Aw, you already seem so close. You think you two can work with each other?
Not a chance!
I'd sooner work with a trash can.
Seems like you're on the same wavelength. I think assigning Denji to your squad is the right choice.
Squad?
This punk in my unit? I've got enough troublemakers as it is. Adding another weirdo to the mix would... I don't know.
Remember when I put your team together? I said that you'd be operating differently as a sort of experiment.